Best scalping techniques for fast profits. Want to make quick profits in the stock market? Scalping is the fastest way to trade and win. In this video, I'll show you the best scalping techniques used by pro traders. Stock market, Forex, crypto. It works everywhere. What is scalping? Scalping is a short-term trading strategy where traders make quick trades to capture small price movements. It's all about speed and precision. Small, frequent trades. Fast execution. Low risk per trade. Best scalping strategies. Strategy 1. Moving average scalping. Open Trading View. Go to Trading View and open your chart. To add the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, click on Indicators at the top of the screen. Search for Moving Average Exponential. Click on the Moving Average Exponential twice in the indicator search. Open the settings of the first EMA by clicking on it in the chart or the settings icon. Change the length to 9. Customize the color and style if needed. Open the settings of the second EMA by clicking on it in the chart or the settings icon. Change the length to 21. Change the color and style to differentiate it from the 9 EMA. Now, both the 9 EMA and 21 EMA will appear on your chart. Use the 9 EMA and 21 EMA crossover for entry signals. Buy when 9 EMA crosses above 21 EMA. For long trades, place the stop loss below the recent swing low. For short trades, place the stop loss above the recent swing high. Use a 1:2 or 1:3 risk-reward ratio. As price moves in your favor, trail the stop loss below or above the 21 EMA to lock in profits. Or look for key resistance or support levels and identify strong support or resistance zones to take profits. Use Fibonacci levels for confirmation. Sell when 9 EMA crosses below 21 EMA. Please visit my channel for more scalping techniques. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.